Hey YouTube, and welcome. I'm about to put my wig on. I'm about to go out to eat for my birthday. I'm gonna go to the dessert restaurant here in Savannah. It's called Better Than Sex Restaurant. The little dessert is good or whatever, so that's what I want to do, and it's nice. So that's what I want. That's what I want to go at. So I tie my braids down when I go to sleep, because I don't know why. I usually don't, but I decided to try it. My glasses are dirty. Look at that hang time. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. But anyway, yeah, so I love my braid down. Y'all already know who did my hair. Coco braided my hair down for my wigs. I love her braid down. She had to really go through it with my hair because my hair is so thick. My glasses is dirty. I hate when my glasses is dirty. Oh, there we go. These are not the glasses that I'm wearing tonight, but I do not want to break my most favorite glasses, so these like my round the house glasses. I'll be fine if I break these, like not really, but I'll be okay. So I had lost my edges from some really little braids, and I've been putting oil on them every day, and they growing back in really thin, but they growing back in. So shouts out to Natural Mane by Joy Edwards in Savannah. On top of that, I have been putting wild hair growth. Like I go in between. So one day I put wild hair growth, the other day I put Naturally Mane on it. So it's been growing and glowing. Cause it was bald. Like it was bald. Like I couldn't even see these little feathers of hair. Yeah, so I left some braids in for a screaming long time being lazy. I know I shouldn't have did it, but I did it anyway. So let me be the example. If your braids are getting too old, no matter what happens, take them out. So anyway, guys, this is the wig I'm wearing tonight for my birthday. This is my most favorite wig. It's my Rock Indian wig from my Rock Indian line. I love this hair so much. Like, I done had this hair for it's been like over a year now, and if you could marry bundles, I'll probably marry these. So anyway, bruh, I am going to start off brushing the wig with, I call it a wig brush. Some people call it a white girl brush. I remember when I was in high school, I had this teacher. I was in cosmetology school. I was in high school. I mean, cosmetology class. And I used to call these brushes, before I knew better, I used to call them white girl brushes because I never used them on my hair before, but I have seen Caucasian people use it. My teacher got so mad. But anyway, yeah. So I'm going to brush my wig. My baby girl. This is my baby girl. I love this wig. I'm going to say love it. So this is, let me see, 22 through 26 inches. I know this is for sure 5 bundles. But anyway, yeah, you start from the bottom, comb up to the top. Turn the wig upside down and comb the part. Right now, I'm brushing the part of the wig that's usually right here on my nape. And I love this hair because it don't even get tangled up right there. I had some bundles that get tangled up right there, but this is some good hair, y'all. Y'all need to order. This is some good hair. Like, you know, some people be talking, but you can literally look at this hair and tell this is some good hair. So, I'm done combing it. So I like to make sure that my closure is laid down flat. put some, well, I can put this on my head now. So with this unit right here, this is one of the first units I made when I like began to learn how to do baby hairs. I'm still not quite a perfectionist at it. So this one has no baby hairs. Like my curly one, I don't mind if I mess that one up, but I might have just like laid out if I mess up this hair. So you ain't gotta live. I got Bryson. No, not Bryson. His name Brent Fayez. I got Brent Fayez stuck in my head. I absolutely love his music. So if you hear me mumbling, that's what I'm mumbling. His music. Hopefully I don't sing so well that they give me a copyright infringement.
Bruh.
Okay, so the unit is on. Combed out on. I don't even really want to flatten it out. Like, I just love it like this. But yeah, it needs a little bit of straightening. Why did I do that? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so I got my unit on. So I got my unit on, and I am going to, like, I like my closure to lay flat, and I do mean flat, like this, like it's up like that, but I want it to lay flat or whatever. So I am going to I always take some Got To Be glue, and I lay it out on the top. Well, I spray it on the top. I take my hot comb and I hot comb through it. Oh, do not burn me, do not burn me. This is the first year ever I don't have to pay anyone to do my hair. So happy I got it to units. That would have been another expense, but this is an avoidable one. So y'all see how flat it is? Can y'all see the difference? See, this is flat and this is like up. See how flat that is? See how that one is up? Like this side is flat and this side is up. Let me stop playing because I really can't see if I burn myself up. So my glasses back on. Just want to try to see that. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to spray the spray of faith because I believe in this spray. Ooh, I'm going to burn myself. So I brush it out. I take my hot comb. Okay, I'm done laying the top of my hair. Do the back. And I do my hair like this because I don't like no flyaways. I just want it to be laid. You feel me? Laid. Okay, so I just noticed I do not have a comb and I'm not about to look for one because I have to leave in a few and don't want to hear my husband mouth. Okay, so y'all see how good that look. I love this hair. This is some really good hair. I'm really happy for this vendor. If you like to purchase my vendor, hit me up on Instagram at Crown by Kingsley and I'll take my vendor for a fee. Or you can just purchase it from me. I'm just playing. I'm not selling my vendor ever. I'm so in love with this hair. So I think I just want to flat iron like the front, like the very front of it. And for the rest, I'm just gonna run a hot comb through it. I look so cute. So I'm taking my hot comb and I'm running it through my hair now. Okay, run a hot comb over here. Ooh. Somebody just told me happy birthday. Thank you. I don't know who that is. Okay, so this is my birthday hair. From Kingsley Hair Company, Rod Indian. Y'all should go and purchase his hair. I also make units. I hand constructed this unit. I would take it off and put it back on, but it's laying so flat. And we're not gonna bother. We're not gonna bother her. We're just gonna let her sleep. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my lashes. And these are the lashes that I'm wearing for my birthday. My little sister sells lashes and her name is Faith and her company name is Diamonds by Water. Boom, boom. I save my lashes. Like, I love these lashes. So I save lashes, baby. And some lashes you can reuse and some you can't. So, but these have been some lashes that I can just, they're the gift that keeps on giving. So, let me take my glasses off. So I gotta come really close to the camera, and my mirror is behind the camera. So if I get real close, it's because it's my mirror. But I am going to use some Ghost Bond to put my lashes on. Why am I using Ghost Bond? Because I've been using that hair glue that I have, but I don't know, that might be too old and nothing is sticking. Nothing is sticking with the hair glue that I have. So myself, I have some Ghost Bond I've been using. I'm gonna use that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some, I don't want to put it on the back of my hand because it's like too sticky. So I'm gonna put it on some tissue. Let me get a Q-tip or something. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. So I got a bobby pin because this is my Ghost Bond, and it's ain't really nothing too much in here. Okay, so I have my, is this called Ghost Bond? Yeah, I have my Ghost Bond on my my bobby pin, and I am going to put it on my lash. Hopefully these lashes stay on because I went to Atlanta yesterday. I live 4 hours from Atlanta, so we just like did like a little day trip to Atlanta or whatever, and my lashes came off like 30 minutes into the ride from my what is it, from my other glue, from my hair glue, that glue that goes on hair. This goes on hair too, but I done seen, you know, a couple girls that I could trust do this. Hopefully my eyelashes don't come off. So I'm gonna lay it on this one too. Get a little nice thin layer, nothing too thick and crazy. So I'm gonna blow it a little bit. So I got my glue on each lash. Y'all can see it's white. It's white. So just like if I was doing somebody's hair with this Ghost Bond, I let it like get clear. So I'm going to let it sit on my lashes until it gets a little clear. I'm actually gonna take a little bit off so it can dry a little faster. Take a little layer off or whatever. Okay. Okay, so as y'all can see, it was white. Now it is clear, and I'm gonna stick it on my lash. Do I have a mole? Do I have a mole? Do I have a mole? Is that a mole? God, I got a pretty girl mark. Wow. Where did that come from? Pretty girl. Anyway, so I'm gonna put my first lash on. Ooh, that got sticky. Okay, so close your eyes. Don't scrunch it up like this, but close it like that. And stick it on there. And because you let it dry, clear. Because you let it dry clear, it's not going to mush into your eyes. So you don't have to worry about it mushing it. That's the purpose of letting it dry clear. So it won't mush into your eyes. And when I be mushy, you know how something like creamy and it gets in your eye? That won't happen because you let it dry. That's the purpose of letting it dry. So this one is dry as well. I'm going to stick this one on. We're going to say quiet eye. You don't scrunch it. Hold up, does that lift it up? Man. So my lashes are on, my hair is done, and this is my birthday look for tonight. Yeah, I have so many wigs and stuff that it just don't make no sense. But this is my look for tonight. I'm gonna have my y'all know I can't see, so I'm gonna have my glasses on. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me happy birthday below.